NSO Class A 2024 Set C Question number 13 Electromagnet. A simple electrical bell with 4 leads Q, R, S and T and a battery with 2 leads is shown in the given figure. So, an electric bell with Q, R, S and T 4 leads and a battery with 2 leads is given in the figure. To give a continuous ringing sound, which one of the following is the correct way to connect the circuit? So given the options, battery should be placed between R and S and second wire should be placed between Q and T. And option B, battery should be placed between Q and S and second wire should be placed between R and S. Third option says battery should be placed between Q and R and second wire should be placed between S and T. And option 4 says battery should be placed between Q and T and second wire should be placed between R and S. So option D is correct because option D says battery between Q and T, which means one end of the battery terminal is connected to the one end of the coil and the other end of the battery terminal is connected to the contact breaker end. Contact breaker is the place where the hammer connects to this contact screw. So, this is the setup given in option D. And the second wire between R and S. The one end of second wire connects to one end of the coil and the other end of the second wire is connected to the contact wire end. So the option D arrangement successfully connects one battery terminal to one end of the coil, other battery terminal to the contact breaker and the second wire connects the remaining coil end to the remaining contact breaker end. Thus, all 4 internal parts link into one complete loop. When the hammer strikes, the contact breaks, current stops, and when the hammer returns, contact joins again. Thus, the cycle repeats and continuous ringing happens. So, option D is correct because it is the only connection that places the coil and the contact breaker in series with the battery, creating a full working electric bell circuit. It will go like this to this and this to this, and second wire from this to this